Established in 1980, Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology in Bangalore is affiliated with Visvesvaraya Technological University. It is rated 3.6 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. How is this institute for BE? Let's find out. Starting off with placements rated 3.3 stars. In the 2022-23 placement season, AIT saw participation from over 60 recruiters offering more than 700 job positions. Notable companies include TCS, Bosch, Toyota, Amazon, Capgemini and Infosys. 680 out of a total 710 graduating students were placed, resulting in a placement rate of 96%. The engineering domain boasts of the highest placement rate at 44%. Looking at the year-over-year trend, the median package for the 2022-23 graduating batch dropped to 5 lakh per annum, reflecting a roughly 25% decrease over the past 3 years. Comparing to MVJCE, students at AIT Bangalore secured higher median salaries of approximately 11% more. Students note that the placement rate is high, with top recruiters actively involved in the placement process. Students say that there are prominent roles available such as data scientist, computer programmer, AI research scientist, instrumentation engineer, control engineer and automation engineer, along with various internship opportunities. AIT offers 12 specializations in its BE program. The BE program has a seat intake of 1,050. BE eligibility requires a minimum of 45% in 10+2 and admission involves going through COMET-K, UGET, KCET. COMET-K UGET cutoffs show increased competition across most branches compared to the previous years. KCET cutoffs, on the other hand, have fluctuated between high and low scores over time. Admission to MVJCE Bangalore seems less competitive than AIT based on KCET cutoffs. The first year tuition fees is 2.64 lakh and the total cost of the 4-year BE is 9.97 lakh. The institution offers various scholarships to deserving students. With a program cost of around 9.97 lakhs and an expected salary of 5 lakhs, the ROI is favorable. This leads to a 3.6 star rated value for money rating on Shiksha. Shifting our focus towards the 3.6 star rated infrastructure. AIT's 23-acre campus is described by students as modest but with excellent infrastructure. Classrooms are spacious and equipped with smart boards, while the campus offers free Wi-Fi and a large internet-ready library. The laboratories are modern despite the older college building. The campus features 3 boys' hostels with 283 rooms and 1 girls' hostel with 108 rooms. Students say that the hostel facilities are good for both genders with rooms for 3 to 4 students. The mess serves moderately good food while hostels provide gyms and Wi-Fi. Students note that the campus promotes sports and games, offering outdoor sports along with a 200-meter track and pavilion. Indoor facilities include a multi-gym, badminton, table tennis, chess and carom. The institute also provides medical assistance through GM Hospital. Transportation options are available for staff and students from various city areas with BMTC services and plenty of nearby buses and metro facilities. Moving on to faculty and curriculum with a rating of 3.8 stars. Students say that the faculty are highly qualified and supportive, offering quality education at an affordable cost. They emphasize practical application, use diverse teaching methods, and effectively prepare students for the industry. Students find exams and semesters manageable with guidance, noting a 88% pass rate. AIT Bangalore has a 3.8 star rating for campus life. Let's explore what it entails. 4 major events are organized annually, and these include the Cultural Fest, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Birth Anniversary Celebration, Techno Exhibition and Graduation Day. In addition to these, the college regularly hosts debates, industrial visits and other events along with program affiliated with NSS. AIT is currently unranked in the NIRF ratings. For more details on AIT Bangalore and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.